Is your Dodge Caliber's alarm going off randomly? You're not alone. This is a common problem often caused by faulty door switches, a malfunctioning totally integrated power module, or key fob synchronization issues. Common causes include faulty door switches, especially the driver's side, which can send false open signals due to corrosion or misalignment. First, check the door switches for corrosion or misalignment. Then, consider resynchronizing your key fob by holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds while cycling the ignition. If these steps don't work, the totally integrated power module may be the culprit, potentially requiring repair or replacement. Remember to disconnect the battery before working on any electrical components. For door switch problems, you can replace the faulty switch yourself using aftermarket parts available online for around $10 to $20. For TIPM issues, DIY repair kits are available, but replacement is often necessary, costing between $150 to $300. If resyncing the key fob doesn't work, it may need reprogramming via a diagnostic scanner or dealer tools. Online forums such as Dodge Talk and Reddit's r/Dodge are great resources for community-driven solutions. Using an OBD2 scanner can help pinpoint the exact cause of the alarm triggers, allowing for a more targeted repair approach. If all else fails, consult a professional mechanic to rule out more complex electrical issues.